Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Nobita Talking Bot. Today's lesson is titled LLMs Unpacked, Chatting with Super Smart Text Machines. Hey everyone, Nobita here. Ever wondered how those amazing AI chatbots like ChatGPT understand and talk to us so naturally? Today, we're going to unpack the magic behind large language models, or LLMs for short. Think of them as super smart text buddies living inside your computer. Ready to chat, write, and even code with you. No fancy tech words, just simple explanations for developers like us, who are just starting our AI adventure. At its core, an LLM is like the ultimate autocomplete feature you find on your phone. But on steroids. When you type, "How's the wee?" your phone suggests weather? Single quote. An LLM does this. But for entire sentences, paragraphs, or even whole stories, it's really good at predicting the next most probable word based on all the words it has seen before. From a developer's perspective, you send it some text, an input, and it gives you back the most likely continuation, an output. How does it predict so well? Inside an LLM, there's something called a neural network. Imagine a giant web of tiny interconnected switches or neurons, much like your own brain. When you give the LLM some text, this information travels through these millions, or billions, of connections. Each connection has a weight that determines how much it influences the next switch. It's like a complex decision-making process where each word's presence triggers a cascade of calculations to figure out what word comes next. As a developer, you don't build this network from scratch, but you interact with its final, trained form. LLMs become super smart by reading an absolutely colossal amount of text data. We're talking about petabytes of information from books, articles, websites, conversations, and more. Basically most of the internet. This process is called training. During training, the model learns patterns, grammar, facts, and even common sense by trying to predict missing words in sentences or the next word in a sequence. It makes mistakes, gets corrected, and adjusts those weights in its neural network until it's incredibly good at text prediction. It's like a student who has read every single book in the world. So, how do we, as developers, tell an LLM what we want? We use prompts. A prompt is simply the text input you give to the LLM. It's like asking a question or giving an instruction. For example, write a short story about a brave robot and a lost cat. The better and clearer your prompt, the better the output you'll get. From a development standpoint, you'll often send these prompts via an API, application programming interface, which is a standardized way for your code to talk to the LLM service. You craft your prompt, send it, and receive the LLM's text response. LLMs have incredible superpowers. They can write code, summarize complex documents, translate languages, brainstorm ideas, and even generate creative content. But they also have quirks. They don't understand in the human sense. They predict. Sometimes they hallucinate, making up convincing sounding but false information, because it's statistically probable, not because it's true. They also reflect biases present in their training data. As developers, we need to be aware of these limitations and design our applications to mitigate potential issues, like fact-checking important information. This is where it gets exciting for us developers. LLMs aren't just cool chatbots. They're powerful building blocks for new applications. You can integrate them into your apps to create smart customer service bots, generate product descriptions, assist with coding, personalize user experiences, and much more. You don't need to be an AI expert to start using them. By learning how to craft good prompts and interact with their APIs, you can unlock a whole new world of possibilities and build truly intelligent features into your software. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.